Hello student, welcome to the next lecture of object oriented programming, which is today I am going to explain class methods. So this class method is a little bit different from the other method which we have seen till now. So this is nothing but the @class method or @class method decorator. So till now we have seen that methods defined inside a class are known as class method, and they are called by the instance of that class. These methods automatically take self as their first argument. Okay, a class method is a method that is bound to a class rather than its object. Till now we have seen that all the methods defined inside the class are bound to the object of that class, but this class method or @class, whenever we are going to define such method which is bound to the class, we will declare it by using @class method decorator. Okay, before defining the function we are going to write @class method decorator, which indicates that the below method is automatically the class method. Okay, the class methods are little different from these ordinary methods. There are two major difference between an ordinary method and a class method. The first difference is that they are called by the class itself, not by the object of the class. You have to remember this. This is very important point, that whenever we are talking about the @class method decorator or class method, they are always called by the class rather than its object. And the another major difference is that the first argument of a class method is CLS, not self. So whenever I am going to define any class method decorator, the first argument of that method will be the CLS rather than the self. Okay, so let's understand what is this class method. Okay, so they are bound to the class rather than object. Class methods can be called by both class and object. These methods can be called with the class or object. You can call it by class and you can call it by object. They are the normal class methods. Okay, the what does the class method decorator? The class method decorator is a built-in function decorator, that is an expression that gets evaluated after your function is defined. Okay, the result of that evaluation shadows your function definition basically. Okay, a class method receives the class as implicit first argument, just like instance method receives the instance. Okay, it can modify a class state that would apply across all the instances of the class. Okay, for example, it can modify a class variable that will be applicable to all the other instances. So these are the basic theory behind this class method decorator. So this is the basic syntax to create a class method. So whenever you want to create a class method, you have to write @class method. After this decorator, whatever you are writing in below this statement, that function or that method by default becomes the class method. Def method name, this is a class method. So when you have defined @class method above, the first argument of this method would be CLS by default. If you are writing something different or self or any other argument here, it is going to give you error. Okay, so and to call this method you need to use class name only. You are not going to use object. So class name dot method name, this is how you are going to call this class method. Okay, so let's discuss this within a simple example. So I have created a class called my class. So here by using @class method decorator, I have defined a method def calculate. So calculate by default becomes the class method. So the first argument of this calculate method is CLS by default. It is class itself. And I have taken one argument, which is price. You can define any number of argument here, n number of arguments you can define here. So here CLS dot cost assigned by price plus 10. So I have increased the price by 10 and I have calculated this inside the cost. So cost is the price plus 10, or I have returned the CLS dot cost. So I have created the object. If you are not going to create this, there is no problem at all. So to call this function calculate, you need to use my class dot calculate. Here I have taken one variable. This is another method you can use, or you can call this method calculate by using class. if you're not going to allocate this C and simply you're going to write my class dot calculate inside a print statement, this is also going to give you output. So C assigned by my class dot calculate 495. Here I have called the class method and I have printed the result into C. So when I printed this result, it is going to give you 505, and when I call the variable of that class, which is cost, so I need to write my class dot cost, again the class name with variable declared inside the class, which is cost. Okay, let's discuss this with the simple examples. So let's get back to the Jupyter notebook. So here I am going to explain you how you are going to use class method with a very basic simple examples. So let's take the first example. Suppose I have defined a class called display. I have used @class sorry. Okay, def show CLS, and I want to print welcome to learning Python. Okay, this is the very simple and very basic example of class method function or class method decorator. Now see, because this is not an ordinary method, okay, so to call this class method I need to use the class name only. So I am going to use display dot show. So when I run this, it is going to print welcome to learning Python. So this is how you are going to create a class method. So let's take another example. Suppose you want to calculate the square of a number by using class method. So this is how you are going to calculate this. Suppose my class is calculate, this is my class name, and def squ cls comma a. Okay, so now cls dot square square a cross a, this is going to calculate the square, and now I am writing the print statement, print square of number is comma cls dot square square. Okay, so again to call this I am going to use calculate dot squ inside any number. Suppose I want to calculate the square of 5, so I am going to define 5 here. Okay, so let's run this. So this is how we calculate square of a number by using a simple class method decorator and a simple class method. Okay, so now let's take one other example which include a normal ordinary function, ordinary class, ordinary method, and a class method itself. Okay, so let's take a class, say student. Okay, here college. Inside college you can write anything. Suppose I have write COEP. Okay, so now def underscore underscore INIT underscore, sorry, it's just INIT self comma name, or we can say subject comma marks. Okay, so here self dot sub is equals to sub self dot marks is equals to marks. I'm going to take another function def show self. This is a normal method. Okay, print name of subject is self dot sub and print marks in subject comma self dot marks. Now let's take class method. Okay, suppose def info cls. Here I'm going to return, suppose return cls dot college. Okay, so this is how I have created a class named student. I have defined three functions here. The first one is the class constructor itself, another one is show, and the third one is class method, which is used by the class method decorator. So firstly, for this I have to create the object of the class. So s1 student, s1 student, I need to define the values of it. So I have defined subject as pps and the marks is suppose 98. So I need to call s1 dot show. Okay, and then print. To call this info I need to use student. So okay, so student dot info. When I run this code, so you can see that to call, because init is a constructor, show is a normal method of the class. So to call this method I need to use the object of the class, but to call the info, because info is a special method, it is a class method decorator, it is class method itself. To call this method I have to use the class itself. Okay, so show has been called by the object of the class student, and info has been called by the class itself. Okay, so this is how we execute the program of class method. So let's take a quick revision. So this is the very basic example of class method. Whenever you want to define any class method, before defining that function, before defining that method, you need to use the decorator, which is @class method, and below that decorator you have to write the simple function definition as you write in the other. The only difference is the first parameter, the first argument of that function should be cls, and that function must be called by the class itself. You have to use the class name dot function name to call that function. Okay, thank you so much guys, thank you.